Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 3:15 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over one state forest, 426 miles east of Gloucester City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts of quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations of impacted include Hamilton, Tabernacle, Chenot, Morgan State Forest, Natchez, Denver Lake, Brookville, Warren Grove, Chatsworth, Old Pathway, Penn State Forest, Beach Haven West, Holiday City Brookville, Ocean Acres, and Monahawken. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until